While many people deal with loose connections by tightening screws or trying different improvised fixes, one electrician came up with an idea that stands out because of its simplicity. The solution involves a small rivet, a part most people would never associate with electrical work. Yet, with a clever application, it becomes part of a setup that looks cleaner, more organized, and surprisingly effective. What makes the idea so interesting is how such a simple component can be used in an unexpected way. At first, it seems like nothing more than a small piece of metal, until you see the finished result and understand why it caught so much attention.